What does that mean? It's an idiom, you idiot.
What does that mean it's done?
What you asked.
What does that mean? Okay.
What does that mean?
That means we have $500,000 to help raise the kids.
No.
What does that mean?
What does that mean, Frozen?
What does that mean?
You know, just what I love.
What does that mean?
So with Reverend Grimm's alibi checking out, then what does that mean? I mean,
What does that mean, surgery? What kind of surgery?
What does that mean?
What does that mean? We don't have a choice. Fuck you, you don't have a choice.
Fuck me?
clearance. What does that mean?
So what does that mean?
What does that mean?
Wait, so if you climb all 46 peaks, what does that mean? You get a prize or?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
All right, what does that mean?
What does that mean? He can't even multiply 2 times 2?
What does that mean?
Exactly.
So what does that mean?
Roger that, J-Dub. Wait, what does that mean?
What does that mean? That it didn't pay for you to ask too many questions.
What does that mean, someone like me?
Just someone so young.
Now tell me, what does that mean to be noble?
Are you sure?
What does that mean? So, what does that mean for your development property?
What does that mean?
What does that mean? Why didn't he ask to talk to me?
What does that mean you have a girl or are you?
So what does that mean? What does that mean?
Hey, what does that mean?
What does that mean while mom watches the baby?
What does that mean? I got you covered.
What does that mean?
What?
Big storms bring big treasure.
Oh, good. What does that mean?
Happy. What does that mean?
What does that mean? What you heard her calling?
What does that mean?
What? What does that mean?
And what does that mean?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
I think you know.